Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is now the starting attempt. Going from memory, the carbs need to clean on this, so I'm not expecting it to start. If it does, I'll be shocked. But I had to do a funny, not a funny, I had to start it a certain way, so choke on and then put the tick over a couple of turfy turns in, because she was funny starting, and that was all the time when I had it on the road for a little while. So here we go. Flat battery. That didn't last long, did it? A booster. It's nice to spin a bit faster now. Yeah, fair dues. I wasn't expecting that. Not even on. I did drain the carbs for standard practice really, but the fuel in the tanks felt okay. To be honest, the fuel came off the carbs, smelled alright as well, but I drained them, ran it through for a little while. Hard to surprise it started really. No nasty smoke. Not bad for an old girl. Quite surprised, to be honest. I think it's been about 11 months since I last won it. She's got the one fairing on. This fairing's off an earlier Zx9r. All close together. All broke. A few people saying it there, why you stripping down a complete bike when there's so much being bodged on it. Unfortunately, leaking, so they need rebuilding. Well, it'll make, what I'll do is I'll strip it all down completely, take the carb out, clean that off, and I'll have boxes, 3 boxes like I said, and then I can have a load of parts for the track day. I have got a spare engine. But, another one won't hurt. Plus this bike's not got very good history on the MOT. It's done like 70,000 miles or something the other. And it's been clocked as well. It's been took off. Someone's took off like 40,000 miles, so with the papers and that, it's just not worth. It's not a valuable bike in the state of conditions in. It needs complete fairing. Yeah, she's seen better days. But the engine that's in it, it's low mileage. It's only done 18,000. And I've got pictures of the bike had come out on when the logbook. It was a bike that had been crashed, so the engine itself is a good, and all the bits I can use. I did take the swing arms, I did have had that swing arm on it, as I mentioned in previous videos. Obviously it's a and it came with the brace. So I put this on that one onto this one, just to, so it's completely been packed and chopped about there. So yeah, quite surprised she started, to be honest. But the electrics and everything, that's one good thing about this bike, it's all in good condition. And as I said, the engine, the running gear, all the lights work. Not that it matters really. Yeah, thanks for watching. Next video will be of me stripping it down. The next, probably with it being Mother's Day this weekend, I'll probably do a bit tonight, to be honest, and then do a bit more next week. So I'll do like part 1, 2, 3 and 4 videos of me stripping it down. Thanks for watching.